When it comes to purchasing a luxury home, there might be some questions you have for your lender. Hi, I'm Judy with the Latitude Group, brokered by eXp Realty Luxury, and today I'm at the Salt Lake Country Club with Charles Wright, local member and lender with Fairway Mortgage.
Thanks, Judy. It's good to be here.
Thanks for coming with me. And today we're here to talk about jumbo loans. Charles, thanks for coming to chat with me today. But before we get started talking about the jumbo loan, tell me about you and your business and your area of specialty.
So I'm with Fairway Mortgage. We are the third largest lender by volume in the United States. So we offer a wide variety of jumbo loan products. I specialize in jumbo loans. I do a lot of jumbo loans in Salt Lake County as well as in Summit County, Park City area. So I'm happy to be here and chat about it.
Thanks. I'm really interested in this subject because I want to help people out and know where they need to be when they need to be there. If that makes any kind of sense.
Yeah, makes perfect sense.
The main question I have is, what is the difference between a jumbo loan and a conventional loan?
Well, the main difference is the loan amount. So in Salt Lake County, the maximum loan amount is $726,200 for a conventional loan. Anything over that would be considered a jumbo loan.
Okay. And so people go to purchase a house, it's over $1 million, more than likely, depending on their down, they're going to be more in that jumbo loan category.
That's correct. So unless you put a big enough down payment to get below the conventional loan amount of $726,200, you will be in a jumbo loan.
One of my questions is there a maximum amount of money for a jumbo loan?
Usually about $3 million is the maximum jumbo loan amount.
Okay. And are the interest rates different for a jumbo loan versus a conventional loan?
They can be, and oftentimes they're actually lower than a conventional loan. So I think most people don't expect that, and they're quite pleased to see that that's the case with jumbo loans, is they're getting a better rate than they would with a conventional loan.
Yeah, that is good, because if you're borrowing $3 million, a better rate would make a massive impact on your
Absolutely,
payment.
yes.
So my next question is there a required credit score to qualify for a jumbo loan?
Yes, so usually 680 would be the minimum to qualify for a jumbo loan, and obviously the better the credit, the more products available and the better terms and lower rates. But 680 would be about the minimum.
Okay. Next question is there a minimum down payment required for a jumbo loan?
Usually 10% is the minimum down payment, but there are some products that we offer that go as low as 5% down.
Oh wow, I didn't think that either. I thought for sure, like, if you're going to get a jumbo loan, you'd have to have 20%, but you don't.
No, you can be as low as 10%, in some cases even as low as 5%.
Wow, that's awesome. There's some great houses out there, everybody.
Yes, there are. And most of them are jumbo loan.
Right, most of them are jumbo loan, but they're out there and they're awesome. Now we know how you can get one. Okay, Charles, so are there additional fees or costs associated with the jumbo loan?
No, so the fees and costs for a jumbo loan are right in line with a conventional loan. Same fees, same cost, so it doesn't cost any more money to get a jumbo loan than it would a conventional loan.
Sounding better all the time.
Yeah.
What are the repayment terms for a jumbo loan?
So it's the same as conventional. Typically, most people do a 30-year loan, but we can go terms as low as 10, 15, or 20 years as well.
Okay.
So it's very similar to a conventional loan in terms of terms and repayment.
Yeah. Awesome. So no additional fees, terms are the same, you can get a better interest rate, and you don't have to have 20%.
That's correct.
Sounds awesome.
Yeah, what's not to like?
Right. Are there any restrictions or limitations to the jumbo loan?
There are some restrictions with assets. Some lenders or well, let me rephrase that. Some programs require what they call reserves, which means assets that you have that would cover a certain number of payments on a jumbo loan. But that varies from program to program. Some require those reserves, some do not. But in most cases, there will be reserves required, and most people that are in the jumbo loan category will have those reserves.
Yeah. So we purchased a commercial property and we had to have like 6 months of payments in reserves. Is it something similar to that?
Exactly like that, yes. And that's usually in the form of a, stocks you own, 401k, any asset that could be liquidated to make payments would be considered a reserve.
Okay, awesome. So that's good to know too. All right, Charles, well, that was the majority of my questions about jumbo loans. Is there any question that I missed that you think people might want to need to know?
No, I think some people get scared off by the word jumbo, but it's really just a regular mortgage. It's just for a higher amount. And so terms are very similar, as Judy mentioned. It doesn't have to be 20% down, doesn't have to be perfect credit, and we can turn these loans pretty quickly as well. Usually in as little as 20 days, 20 to 30 days is about the average turn time.
That's awesome. Okay, everybody, let's go shopping.
All right.
Thanks again for joining us. This is Charles Wright with Fairway Mortgage, and I'm Judy with the Latitude Group, eXp Realty. And it's been a great afternoon at the Country Club learning about jumbo loans.
Thank you, Judy.
You're welcome. Thank you.